Are you looking for an urban lifestyle home with a modern feel? Then I've got the place for you. Today I'm here at the Villas at Legacy West to give you an inside look into one of our premier listings. And this villa I'm about to show you is gorgeous. Built by Britton Homes, the Villas at Legacy West are single-family, detached, 2- and 3-story modern homes. They feature bright and airy floor plans, clean lines, and upscale aesthetics. One of my favorite things about this community is the ability to walk to Legacy West, where you'll find all kinds of shopping and dining. Their ideal location complements residents seeking a low-maintenance lifestyle in a high-end community. Welcome to 6129 Preserve Drive. This is a wow home that really makes a statement. The current owners have customized every inch of this home. I feel like I'm in a swanky New York City boutique hotel. One of the great things about this villa is that it's divided into 3 levels. The first floor offers 2 bedrooms, each with their own ensuite baths and walk-in closets. Another cool feature about this level is the built-in wine wall. Before we head upstairs, I want to point out this home is equipped with your own private elevator. Welcome to your main living space. I just love this area. You have a spacious family room which is accented by this gorgeous chandelier, glass front bookcases, and gas fireplace. The family room is open to the dining room, which flows seamlessly into your state-of-the-art kitchen. Here you'll find all the luxuries your inner chef could desire. You have quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, a 6-burner gas cooktop, a convection oven with Wi-Fi connectivity, and a GE Monogram Advantium oven with speed cook technology. One of the most fun features of this home to me is the outdoor grill and the lounge area. Some villas have the grill on the 3rd level, but I love how this one is on the same level as their kitchen and main living area. The 3rd floor is your own private escape. You can retreat to your luxurious master suite with designer finishes. The spa-like bath offers floating vanities, a large soaker tub, and a separate shower. Plus there are 2 huge walk-in closets. Just across from the master suite is an office which could also be used as a second living area. Through the office you have access to a second patio which has an outdoor gas fireplace. This villa is spectacular. I invite you to come visit it in person. If you'd like more information, please feel free to give me a call or check out our website at janrichey.com. I'm Jan Richey, and I look forward to seeing you on our next home tour.